Now, where were we?
Oh, I remember.
I miss being Walter.
Ow! You are keeping those on!
Don't be so uptight. I'm Invis.
Man, just because you're invisible doesn't mean you get to be naked. What is wrong with you?
All right, Blobby, you're up. Looking good?
Go ahead. Now's your chance.
Hey, it was fun being a monster for a little bit. I wonder if Van Helsing can adjust this thing so that I'm a monster, but still me.
I don't think so.
Aw, come on! How about just a tail?
No, Johnny. You're perfect, just the way you are.
Maybe? Johnny?
Yes?
Well, I know a lot has happened, but I was hoping that if you're still interested, then I wanted to say that the hotel is destroyed! What happened? My hotel! 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 My hotel!
Hi, Mama. Hi, Papa.
Dennis!
Come here, you.
Don't worry, Drac. We'll rebuild it just the way it was.
No. Rebuild it the way you want to. It's your hotel now.
Dad, are you sure?
It's time to begin a new chapter.
Okay, Drac. Open your eyes!
The hotel! I don't understand. It's exactly the same.
Well, we just made a couple of tiny adjustments.
Huh?
That's what you needed. People you love to be there to support.